Hi, I'm Yarnie, brand ambassador at YarnCat, and I'm back today with another great feature of the YarnCat app. Have too much yarn and don't know what to do with it? Use our awesome Stashbuster feature to find a pattern for your next great project. You can access the Stashbuster feature from any stashed yarn detail. When you begin a Stashbuster search, you have the option of searching by the actual yarn name, its fiber types, its weight, or any combination of those. Narrow your search even further by craft type, or click on one or more of the pattern categories to choose pattern types. When you're done, click the search button to get the results. When the results appear, you can favorite patterns from the list. By default, the pattern will be added to a Ravelry bundle. You can change this option in settings, see the linked video for more, and the first time the bundle is created, you can choose a name or just leave the default name if you'd like. Clicking on a result will take you to the pattern detail, which will show you info and pictures about the pattern. You can favorite from the detail as well, or view the pattern on Ravelry. You can even create a project from the pattern, which will fill the pattern and yarn in for you. Have fun! You can download YarnCat on Google Play or the App Store. Comments, questions, suggestions? Leave them below or on our Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter pages. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching!